Welcome back to Staying Healthy with the Brazos Valley Food Bank. Let's make 3 easy pumpkin spice recipes. We'll start with a pumpkin smoothie. In a blender, you'll need a cup of frozen bananas, a cup of low-fat milk, a half cup of pumpkin puree, a half cup of low-fat yogurt, a fourth of a teaspoon of vanilla, a fourth of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Then blend together until smooth and creamy. Hope you enjoy. Next, let's make pumpkin spice oatmeal. In a microwave-safe bowl, you'll need a half cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of milk, a tablespoon of syrup, a half of a teaspoon of vanilla, a half of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Stir to combine and then microwave for about 2 minutes or until the oatmeal is cooked. Top with fruit and nuts and enjoy. Lastly, let's make pumpkin pancakes. In a blender, combine a half of a banana, 1 egg, 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, a half teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of oil. Blend until smooth. In a large pan over medium heat, pour 1/3 cup of batter. Once you start to see bubbles, go ahead and flip your pancake. Cook for about 2 minutes, then top with fruit, nuts, and syrup. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Thanks for watching.